In this video, I show you how to fix sound not working on your iPhone. Make sure it's this full video so you know all the different steps I'll be showing you in this guide and don't skip any of it. Let's get into this. Now here we are on my iPhone and let's get into these fixes. So the first thing you want to do is just make sure you have gone to turn your volume up. I know it sounds very basic, but try using your buttons on the side of your phone, and as you can see we get the volume slider here. Or you can open up your control center by dragging down from your battery on your screen like so, and then you can go and adjust the volume here as well. Now the next thing you want to do is just make sure your phone is not silenced and put it on loud. The loud switch is basically on the side of your phone just above the volume buttons. You can go and adjust it, and as you can see you want to make sure silent mode is turned off. Now what you want to do is try restarting your iPhone. To do that, all you need to do is hold the power button and the increase button on your phone at the same time, and this is going to go and open up this menu here, and what you need to do is slide this off to go and slide to power your phone off, just like that. And then what you'll need to do is wait for it to fully shut down and then hold your power button again to go and turn it back on. Now if your sound still isn't working, then what you need to do is try plugging in headphones to see if sound comes through them, because that's going to go and help identify if it's like your phone system not putting any sound out or if it's your speakers not actually working. If the headphones end up working, then it's probably an issue with your phone speakers, so make sure you try clearing them and there's nothing sort of stuck in them and things like that. However, if things still aren't working, then let's go and get this next fix. What you need to do is go and open up your settings like so and go and look for accessibility, which is just here. Then what you need to do is scroll down until you go and see the option under hearing for audio and visual like this, and then make sure for balance it's set to 0. It's not sort of off to one end. Just make sure it's set in the middle, right to 0 like this. Then also make sure mono audio is turned off as well. And the next thing I recommend doing is just making sure your iPhone isn't trying to connect to any speaker or something like that. So to make sure that it's not happening is just unplug your phone from everything, any cables, things like that. Then what you want to do is also go and turn off your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth as well, because sometimes speakers can be connected via those. To do that, just open up your control center and you can turn off your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth like so. And as you can see, they're now disconnected. Then see if sound is going to work and you can go and turn those back on as well. Then if things still aren't working, it's probably worth resetting your iPhone. To do that, open up your settings, go to General. If we go back to the home page of settings, go to General, scroll right to the bottom and go and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then you can go and erase all content settings, and that's going to fully reset everything on your iPhone. However, if after doing that things still aren't working, then it's probably worth getting in contact with Apple. However, I'm pretty sure one of the methods in this video will have gone and resolved it. If you guys found this useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.